manipulating, or hurting others. Life slowly mirror that behavior back to them. They lose trust, peace, genuine action. That means that's how karma works. Not with drama, but with quiet repetition. Okay? Meaning of repetition is something that has already been said, or written, or action, or events. That means repetition. That's how the repetition means. So we always have to do the right thing, okay? Because if you don't do the right thing, if the time comes, you get your karma. So they lost trust, peace, genuine connection. Okay? That's how karma works.